Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. First, let us see what has happened last week. In fact, for the last few weeks, the global markets were doing very well, but due to local problems, we have been underperforming. We had the AGR case, then we have a loan moratorium case, both the cases going on in the Supreme Court. And though last week the AGR case came to a conclusion, but the loan moratorium case has been going on. So for the last 2 weeks, we had positive global cues and negative local cues. So we were not performing as good as the other market. In the beginning of last week, both Apple and Tesla, they went for a stock split. And after the stock split, the markets shot up. And Apple became $1 trillion market cap company to $2 trillion market cap company in just less than 2 months. And 1 trillion is something very, very big. And because in such a short term, the prices have shot up, on Thursday, there was a huge profit booking. Why there was a huge profit booking? Usually, the first Friday of the month, and US will declare unemployment data, and that is considered to be a very, very important data for the direction of the market. But 2 days before the Friday, on Wednesday, the private sector employment data will be declared, and that was not as expected. And because of that, and people thought Friday the data from the US government will also be bad, and they started booking the profit, and the Apple shares fell 8% on Thursday. On Friday, once again it has fallen another 8%. So the total fall of 16% in Apple would have wiped out more than $300 billion of market cap. Just to give you a simple idea, how much is a $300 billion? That is the total market cap of top 2 companies in India, that is Reliance Industries and HDFC Bank. So assume that Reliance Industry and HDFC Bank share prices go to 0. What will be the loss? And that was the loss just because of one company, Apple. But however, Friday, the US jobs data, unemployment data came, which was better. Unemployment rate has fallen from more than 10% to around 8.4%. And because of that, though on Friday, Apple shares opened 8% lower, but it closed in green. And Dow Jones also recovered almost 2/3 of the losses. But Nasdaq is still looking weak. That is because now the economies are opening up all over the world. When the economies are opening up, the money will be shifting from new economy stock to old economy stock. For those who don't understand what is new economy stock and old economy stock, okay, technology related stocks are considered to be new economy stock because those people can work from home. So due to coronavirus and due to the lockdown, and the least affected companies are the IT related companies because people can work from home. So that's why those shares went up so much, and that is why Nasdaq has outperformed Dow Jones and S&P 500 also. Now the economy is opening up. Now the money is moving from technology stocks to other stocks. Going forward, we can expect Dow to outperform the Nasdaq. And same thing also here. In India also, you can see the auto stocks are moving higher. And yesterday, out of the Nifty 50 stocks, there was only one stock which ended in green, that was Maruti, which is an auto stock. It's not an IT stock. So, because the Apple and Tesla shot up so much, the profit booking came in both the stocks. That has created some huge volatility in US, and that volatility was reflected in India also. So, as a result, Nifty fell from 11,800 to around 11,300. Now, our market has been moving for the last 3 months, and if this is a bull market, normally in what happens in bull market, it's 2 steps up and 1 step down. So, here and there correction will be coming, and to take out the weaker bulls, and then the markets will continue to rally. Last few months, okay, 2 correction came, and both the correction ended with about 400 point fall in Nifty, and this time the Nifty has already fallen about 4 to 500 points. In fact, yesterday Nifty has broken 20-day moving average. So, therefore, markets are supposed to take a support around 11,280 to 11,300 range. And if 11,280 is broken, then I will turn bearish for the market. And until then, this is considered as just a correction in the bull market. And the correction in the bull market is always healthy. Otherwise, what will happen? What happened to Apple? That will happen here. So, Apple non-stop went up and then corrected 16% in just 2 days. So, that has induced huge volatility. So, our market, Nifty has fallen about 400 to 450 point. Bank Nifty has fallen more than 2000 point, but still the Bank Nifty is trading above 20-day moving average. So, therefore, if this is a bull market, and we should be finding support somewhere near here 11,280 to 11,300, and then the rally should resume sooner or later. For the next week, there are not many important data. The first thing is that Monday US markets are closed, so you won't be getting any big clue. And Monday, some export import data from China, so that will affect the Asian countries. On Tuesday, Japanese GDP data will be due, but Japan market, the GDP or Prime Minister resignation, that market do well. And on Friday, after our market close, the consumer price inflation data and index of industrial production data are due, but that impact will be seen only the next week. So, the coming week, though market setup is looking very bearish, and I expect market to take support, not to fall much from here.